Hello, everybody. How are you? I think everybody is fine, happy. Okay. So मेरा हमेशा एफर्ट क्या रहता है आपके साथ कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करने का, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जिसको हम आए दिन अपनी जनरल लाइफ में फेस करते हैं। तो आज का मेरा जो टॉपिक है दैट इज माइंडसेट। माइंडसेट ऑफ कोर्स बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि हम सबका अपना कहीं ना कहीं माइंडसेट रहता है और हम इतने ज़्यादा हम दूसरों को बोलते हैं कि आप बहुत नैरो थिंकिंग के हो और हम कभी खुद ही नहीं समझ पाते कि हम कितने कंजर्वेटिव हैं, हम कितने नैरो थिंकिंग के हैं और हमारा माइंडसेट हो जाता है और वी डू नॉट वांट टू लिसन एनीथिंग एल्स व्हेनेवर समवन इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस। सो हाउ इट बिकम्स ए प्रॉब्लम, कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि माइंडसेट अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। माइंडसेट प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट ओनली फॉर अदर्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट बिकम्स प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर अस ओनली बिकॉज हमारे लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। द पीपल हु आर having that no particular thinking, no this is only this is, they do not want to accept anything else in their life, so what will happen, they will not be able to grow. So mindset क्या करता है, stop your growth, हमारी ग्रोथ को रोक देता है, स्टॉप ग्रोथ। क्यों? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू चेंज आवर सेल्फ, वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू चेंज आवर व्यूज एंड वी ऑलवेज थिंक नो whatever I'm thinking, whatever I'm saying, that is right. So this is a one kind of barrier in communication. हमारी com skills में एक तरीके की ये barrier है because we do not want to get ready to accept anything in our life, and when we will not accept anything in our life, then what will happen, then we will not be able to grow. And that is why you will find the people that who are not improving themselves, who are not learning or accepting the change in their life, they are unable to grow in their life because they have set their mind. No, a mindset is not only related to your career, it is everywhere, like in food habit, like in dress habit, like in our thinking habit, like in our religion habit, like in relationship habit, whatever the things are there. Even we get up, we think no, I have to get up this time only because this is right. When I get up, this is right. If you get up 12 o'clock, then you justify yourself. No, getting morning 12 o'clock is the sign of the intelligent people. If you get up early in the morning, then you justify yourself. If you eat one time food, you justify yourself. If you eat 3 time food, you justify yourself. If you sleep 4 hours, you justify. If you sleep 8 hours, you justify. Always whatever we are, we always justify ourselves. No, what I'm doing, that's right. What I'm thinking, that's right. What I'm planning, that's right. What I'm wearing, that's right. What I'm eating, that's right. No, you are not right because the world is full of so many people. How one person can be right and how others can be wrong? Each person is living with his own thoughts. Each person has own values. Each person has own ethics. But the problem is what? We do not want to accept other thinking. We do not want to accept other values. We do not want to give respect to other values. And problem occur. So how you come to know that how it becomes a problem. कितनी बड़ी problem है क्योंकि हमारी खुद की growth रुक जाती है। दूसरी प्रॉब्लम इससे क्या होती है? दूसरी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि वी आर अनेबल टू बी हैप्पी, हम खुश नहीं रह पाते लाइफ में। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने अपने आप को इतना ज्यादा थॉट्स के साथ नैरो कर लिया है कि कोई भी नई चीज, नई अपॉर्चुनिटी, नया चीज हम देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है नो 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 दैट्स नॉट राइट, दैट्स नॉट राइट। सो वी आर अनेबल टू हैप्पी। हम अपने ही थॉट के साथ बहुत ज्यादा दुखी रहना शुरू कर देते हैं। हम अपने लिए, हमारे खुद के थॉट हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम बन जाते हैं। तो सेकंड चीज क्या है? वी बिकम प्रॉब्लम फॉर आवरसेल्फ। हम अपने लिए खुद ही एक प्रॉब्लम बन जाते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हम उसको हम कभी सोच ही नहीं रहे हैं कि मेरे थॉट ही मुझे प्रॉब्लम दे रहे हैं, मेरी खुद की वजह ही एक प्रॉब्लम बन रही है। मैं लोगों के साथ एडजस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ माई ओन थॉट। आई एम अनेबल टू बी हैप्पी बिकॉज ऑफ माई ओन थॉट। यू नो डियर कि हमारी कंट्री अभी जब सर्वे हुआ तो 149 कंट्री में 139 नंबर पे थी हैप्पीएस्ट नेशन में। क्यों? बिकॉज हम लोग इतने ज्यादा अपनी चीजों को लेके सेट है, हमारा माइंड इतना सेट है कि हम किसी भी चीज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहते। हैं और हर फैमिली में दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. लाइक पेरेंट्स दे से नो दिस इज राइट, फादर विल से दिस इज राइट, मदर विल से नो दिस इज राइट, चाइल्ड विल से दिस इज राइट. Everybody is having the views clashing. So what will happen? Then no one wants to defeat. Everybody wants to say no, whatever my views are there, only I am the correct person. Whatever I am saying, only that is the fine only. So what happened? No one likes each other. No one wants to listen to anyone. No one wants to accept anyone. So I just want to say through this video to everybody, I want to spread this message to everybody, either you are child or either you are youth or you are parent or you are a working person or wherever you are. Do not keep yourself conservative. Do not make your thoughts so narrow. Do not bound yourself with a limited thought of the life. No, explore yourself. Think. I'm ready to accept everybody. Why? Because everybody has born and brought up in different scenario. Everybody has got different experience. So everybody will be having the different thought. So no one is wrong or no one is right. Only what you think that is right. No, that cannot be right. You must accept everybody. You must listen everybody. You must give respect to everybody. Now that's up to you. Either you want to change or not. But do not disregard of any other religion. Do not disregard of any other thought. Do not disregard of any other's values, because he is living his own life. He has the right to live according to him, and you have the right to live according to you. But do not become a problem for even for your own, because we become a problem for us first and for our own. And in family, in offices, everywhere, in society, and everywhere, always we are talking. Oh, see that girl, what she wears, she's not fine. Oh, see that boy, what he is doing. See that lady. Why we talk about others? Let them do whatever they are doing, whatever the problem you are having. Because you have set your mind and you know that is right, and what other is doing, that is wrong. No. Never think like that, because if you will be thinking like that, you will not be able to happy, you will not be able to grow, and you will become a problem. So the solution of this problem is only that accept everybody in your life, respect everybody in your life, try to cooperate with everybody in your life, and be happy with everyone. Be happy, whatever he is. Just feel, see this world is full of so many people. See, this world is full of so many thoughts. So see, listen, see, know, explore everything. But do not become a hurdle. Do not try to change anyone. If you can change yourself. If you can't change, but do not compel to change others also, because let them do whatever they are doing. Okay, you have the duty to guide the good things. Okay, this is good thing, this is bad thing. That's your views. But do not make a problem for your own. If you will be doing these things continuously, then you will not be able to be happy. If you want to be happy, then do not live with these mindset thoughts. Okay, I think now you will think over this topic, have discussion, and I'll welcome your views, whatever you want to say. Thank you.